Who's funny? Who's a funny bird? Who is a funny bird? You're a big bird. Boo is funny. Where's Boo? We love Boo. Bird. I caught you at the tail end of your giggle fit. We go ha ha ha. Who's a funny bird? Who's funny? Boo. Say Boo is funny. Boo is the funniest bird. Boo is a funny bird. You were laughing at Boo. Because Boo is a funny guy. Boo, go back to being cute. He's like, no, I found something in Arthur's cage. Bye-bye, Arthur. Oh, what are you chewing on? Don't chew on that one. Misha. Misha. Don't chew on stuff. Yala. You are a good girl. Who's a good bird? Are you a good bird? Good bird. It's almost time for bed. You want to go to bed? We gotta kick the little guys out of your cage. Misha. Bird? Hello, are you a big bird? Whoa, you're so big. How big are you? A big bird. Oh, look at you. You're such a good bird. Hungry? You didn't want to eat dinner with me. I love you. You are such a good bird. Go down and sing your good bird song. You're a good bird. Use your words, Misha. Hello? Are you a good bird? Are you going to go see your babies in there? You're a girl? You're a boy. You're a girl? No, I know where this is going. La la la. You're a good bird. You're a good bird. Yeah, you're a good girl. You're a good girl. You're a good girl. Good girl.